Assalamualaikum and good day to all. Today our group will present about chapter 2 ERD, which is ER diagram. So today I will going to present about database concept, and database concept has three things, that is introduction of data modeling, business rules and types of models. The first one, introduction of data modeling. A data model refers to the logical interrelationship and data flow between different data elements. Data models help represent the data format to be used. Second, the business rules. Business rules can describe the operations, definitions, and constraints that apply to an organization. And lastly, types of models that which is have three: entity, relationship, and model.
Hi guys, this is Vaisha here. Today I'm going to tell about the intro of ERD. ERD full form is Entity Relationship Diagram. So ERD has four types: entity, relationship, attributes and constraints. First I want to tell about the intro of ERD. So ERD is also known as a entity relationship model. It represents the relationship among place, order, schools, somewhere else, all around the places. It will represent the relationship, and within the IT, information technology also. So next one is entity. Entity is a database system that stores all the information in one place. There are some examples of entity is employee, student and lecture. Then next one is attribute. Attribute is we can tell attribute DBMS. DBMS attribute is a mainly database component. So it will attribute always refers to the table of the row. So if we tell about the attribute means in our mind we should tell about the row only. Row is attribute is a row. Next one is relationship. It has two situations. If for example, if one table has a primary key, means the other one should compulsory should have the foreign key. So most probably it will store all the information in different tables. The next one is constraint. So constraint is usually associated with a table, and it created the create constraint or create assertions SQL statement. They define certain properties of the data in the database must compile with. They can apply to a column or a whole table or more than one table or entire table.
Okay, next I will explain to you guys about relationship with two examples that I will use, which is chain notation and Crowfoot notation. First, I will explain to you guys about one-to-one. One-to-one using chain notation. One-to-one relationship is one entity that can be related to only one or another entity, which is person. One person only can has one passport. This is for chain notation. For Crowfoot notation, we use this symbol to connect with another table, which is passport table. Next, I will explain to you guys for the second relationship, which is one-to-many. One-to-many is a norm for relation database. So I will show you guys for the chain notation for one-to-many relationship.
First we write customer. One customer can place many order. We must write this 1 to show this is the one-to-many relationship in chain notation, while in Crowfoot notation we connect it by using this symbol. This one is 1 and this one is many. So customer can place many order. I will explain many to many relationship, which is when multiple entity relate to second multiple entity. So many student can assign many project. This one is example for chain notation, while Crowfoot notation we use this symbol as a sign to connect it, which is many student can assign many project. Okay, that's all for the relationship. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Steven and I would like to explain about ERD of restaurant management system. So when it comes to restaurant management system, the main person will be our customer. So for the customer, we have the primary key as the customer ID, email, phone number, name, payment ID and food ID. So one customer can place many reservation records and one customer can place many order as scan. So for the order, we have order ID as the primary key, order date, quantity, food request. Food request is like add-on toppings, no need cheese or no mayonnaise, that's called as food request, and the foreign key will be the customer ID. And one customer can place many reservation record. For the reservation record, we have table number as the primary key, seat number and customer quantity, because we have to ensure how many person was in there so all people can see. And the foreign key will be the phone number. And many order can place many chef, because in the kitchen we have many chef, and chef ID will be the primary key, chef name, phone number, and the foreign key will be the food ID and food request. Thank you. Now I will hand in to my teammate Monisha.
My name is Monisha, so I would like to continue Steven's part on this. So first of all, for the order can be taken by one menu. The primary key for menu is menu ID, price, promotions and food description. So for the foreign key is food ID. Next is order and employee. Order can be taken by many employee, and also many employee can take many order. So for employee, the primary key is employee ID, employer name, contact number, and address, schedule of duty and salary. For employee, we don't have foreign key here. Next is order and payment. Order can be taken by one order can make one payment. So for the payment, the primary key for payment is payment ID, payment date, payment type and total amount. For payment, we do have foreign key. So the foreign key is customer ID, order ID and promotions. Last but not least, we have reservation record to employee. one employee can make many reservation record, which is the primary key is table number, seat number, customer quantity, and for the foreign key is phone number of the customer. So that's all for my part. Thank you.